VoucherCart does not sell vouchers or take payments for sales of vouchers. It's your business who acts as the seller and takes payment directly. When your customers are purchasing a voucher via your sales page, that payment is taken by the payment gateway of your choice and sent to your business bank account directly. Now the first step is to connect to one of the payment gateways supported by VoucherCart in your region. From your dashboard, go to Settings and click on Payment Gateways. Now click on Select Recommended Gateway. Payment gateways options available will vary depending on your country of sign-up. If you don't have an account with one of the supported gateways, you should create one. As soon as your payment gateway account has been issued, or if you are using an existing account, then you can simply enter your payment gateway account credentials by clicking on the logo of your payment gateway. The credentials you need to enter to connect your payment gateway will vary depending on the payment gateway you are connecting. However, you will find clear instruction on how to log into your gateway account to find the details you need to enter into the connection fields to complete the connection.
If you need any help, please contact our team directly through the chat widget at the foot of your dashboard when logged into your VoucherCart account. If you are not yet a VoucherCart system user, you can find us in chat on VoucherCart.com or contact us at help@VoucherCart.com.